So much laundry today. All the way up. Hot. Perfect. What did I do? Juliana! It's pink! Destiny! It's pink! What did I do wrong?
Girl, for starters, you put white and red together.
I'm not supposed to do that?
No, first rule of washing, don't ever mix the two colors together. The second rule of laundry is to always check the labels.
What does it even say?
Wash dark colors separately. Otherwise, your clothes will end up looking like this. Third rule of laundry is to make sure you have the right temperature. Like this one. Dark colors are supposed to be with cold water. Lastly, you always want to make sure that you have the correct dryer setting. Well, that's it.
Thanks, you're a lifesaver. Now I can do this on my own. This is easy.